Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Today we're going to talk about SOUNDHOUND AI up 9% on the day. SOUNDHOUND AI and Lucid Motors bring in vehicle voice assistant with integrated generative AI to electric vehicles. Unfortunately for the stock, it did not move yesterday because this came out yesterday. It did not move yesterday. We did not pump. Unfortunately, for some reason, I don't know if you guys have noticed, if you've been following my channel long enough. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed this, but anytime this stock drops a PR related to the automotive industry, it does not pump. I guess the stock market doesn't care about automotive PRs, but that's just something that I've noticed. These automotive PRs don't move the stock. But the restaurant PRs, those move it. Like everyone's still waiting for McDonald's to announce that they're working with SOUNDHOUND. I don't know why that is. Someone let me know. I guess people just don't care about the automotive industry. But restaurant industry, sure. It's just interesting to know the PR strategy. When they do drop PRs related to working with a new brand, a new restaurant specifically, their stock does move. And it can move like 10-20%. So that's just something to keep in mind next time. In case you didn't know this already, next time you see PR and it's working with a new restaurant, more than likely it's going to start moving and it's going to end on a green day. Today it's green, but it's because the market as a whole is recovering after dumping quite a bit. So it's more so the market bringing it up. And we know it's a good stock to hold long term. I don't know how I got learned from long, but sure, why not, right? The technicals here, it bottomed out at 20. We should see $30. I still predict $30. That's still in play. We're still, I'm not going to say we're in the bull market, but we're still, we're not in a bear market. Let me put it that way. We're going sideways very clearly. You can see here we've been going sideways. We've been going sideways since the 18th. As you can see, we've been going sideways for a while. So we need to see that breakout above 25. If the breakout happens, we're going to 30. And then 35, then 40. It's going to move like Palantir stock, and everyone's going to be like, oh my God, how did he know? The only thing that's going to prevent SOUNDHOUND from going to 100, which is my price target, would be a bear market. That's the only thing that would prevent that from happening. We'll see what happens, right? Maybe 2025 brings a bear market, which, again, a bear market's not a bad thing. Bear market would just bring the prices down nice and cheap so you can load up, you get the best bang for your buck at that point. So ultimately, it's not a bad idea. I think long term, this is going to be a winner. But yeah, whether you're a swing, I'm not a day trader, but if you're a swing trader, I mean, definitely look for that breakout above 25. It'll go to 30 if that happens. Do they have, no, they don't have, I was hoping they'd have some kind of, earnings should be coming around maybe. I don't know. Why do I feel like earnings should be coming around the corner? Anyways, let's look at the PR here. I was just giving you my thoughts on the stock and the potential for this one long term. For swing traders, just wait for that breakout above 25 in my opinion. The Lucid Assistant is powered by SOUNDHOUND Chat AI, the cutting-edge voice platform that was the first into full production with a voice assistant that integrates the latest generative AI technology. This integration will give drivers access to a voice assistant that further enhances Lucid's in-vehicle user experience with interactive knowledge discovery, real-time data, and effort in vehicle controls. Okay, I can see why. I can see why no one cared for the PR. Even I got bored just reading that. I just fell asleep. Lucid is one of the most exciting automakers in the world, so it stands to reason they are launching this pioneering new voice AI assistant. So we're looking for McDonald's, sir. Michael Zagorsek, we want McDonald's. He's probably just going to tell me, just DoorDash it. We believe that SOUNDHOUND's best-in-class voice technology opens up unlimited new opportunities for both drivers and OEMs and will fundamentally change the way we interact with our vehicles in the future. That is true. There's no denying that. I didn't think about that. The way we interact with our vehicles, that's pretty crazy when you think. I mean, for those of you who use Siri, you interact with your phone quite literally. You're literally talking to your phone. Now we're going to be talking to our vehicles. That's crazy. I wonder if, does that feature already exist in cars where you can approach your car? You don't even need a key anymore. You just approach your car and you say some kind of wake word. The car starts up. then you say the password, and then it recognizes your voice somehow, and then it starts up for you and opens the door for you. I imagine that's the future if that isn't already possible. Someone let me know. I don't know much about the automotive side of the world. I don't know where we are on the automotive side of things. Are cars right now in 2025, 2024, can you just walk up to them and say a wake word, the car like turns on, and then you say the password and it opens up, and you can just essentially run the car just by talking to it, which is kind of weird to think about. You're just going to be seeing people talking to their cars in the future, I guess. I don't know. That's just something that just crossed my mind. It seems kind of crazy. Like, that's the future, I guess. Sure, why not? I'm not going to complain, right? Anyways, that is it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. Not much to talk about. Look for that breakout above 25. I don't care that the CEO and insiders are selling. They're not selling all of their position, but they are, clearly like, let's take some profit off the table after such a huge run. But they're still holding big positions. They're still holding everything that they have. They only sold off a little bit. Clearly, they're holding for more. And Nvidia hasn't sold either. So, looking good long term. That's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.